Linux distributions are an essential component of the open source ecosystem, offering a wide range of operating system options to users around the world. There are two main types of Linux distributions: community-based and enterprise-based. In this podcast, we will explore the differences and features between those categories of Linux distributions and highlight their respective advantages and disadvantages. My name is Michael and I am Linux user since 2003. Welcome to my tech podcast. Let's check definitions and characteristics. Community Linux distributions are created and maintained by volunteer developers and enthusiasts in their spare time. These developers are often part of a worldwide community that works together to improve the distribution and fix bugs. Well-known examples of community Linux distributions are Debian, Fedora, and Linux Mint. Enterprise Linux distributions are developed and supported by commercial companies. These companies invest resources in development and provide technical support for their products. Well-known examples of enterprise Linux distributions are Ubuntu with Ubuntu Server and Desktop, Red Hat with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and SUSE Linux with SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. Let's check the development model and updates. Community-based distributions are characterized by an open development process where contributions from developers worldwide are welcome. New versions and updates are released regularly and are often available for download free of charge. This often leads to a faster rate of innovation and a wide range of available software packages. Enterprise Linux distributions are usually designed for a high stability and security. They have a longer development and testing phase before new versions are released. These distributions often offer long-term support and updates for several years, which is beneficial for business and organizations that need a reliable platform. Let's come to support and documentation. Support for community distributions is often provided through forums and community-supported help pages. Although the community is usually very helpful, the quality of support can vary and there may be no guaranteed response time. Enterprise-based distributions usually offer professional technical support from the company itself or authorized partners. This support often includes service level agreements (SLAs), which guaranteed response times, which can be crucial for business critical applications. Documentation is usually more comprehensive and tailored to the specific needs of the companies. Let's check the security part. The security of community distributions depend heavily on the timeliness of security updates provided by the community. Because these distributions have a broader user base, they may be targeted more frequently. Enterprise Linux distributions place a high value on security and provide regular security updates and patches. The companies often have specialized security teams that can proactively fix vulnerabilities and respond to ensure the security of the customers. Now, what's the conclusion? Community Linux distributions and enterprise Linux distributions have their own advantages and disadvantages. Community-based distributions are known for the diversity, speed of development, and vibrant community, while enterprise Linux distributions score high on stability, long-term support, and also professional support. The choice between the two depends on individual requirements and preferences. Home users and those who are willing to experiment might prefer community distributions, while companies and organizations that need a robust and secure environment will tend to go for enterprise Linux distributions. In any case, the success and popularity of both types of Linux distributions show that the open source model plays a significant role in the world of operating systems. That was today's podcast episode. Thanks for the kind attention. Peace, ladies and gentlemen.